So our group had significant experience in the field of writing projects for the Erasmus Plus. So our proposals are concrete on the writing of the projects and making the process of the writing of the projects and applying for the project more easy. So the first proposal is to make clear border lines between different key actions that can be taken in the youth program. For example, Elena said that she could not really make a borderline between every key action of the youth program. So to make guidelines or borderlines that can be that can separate the keys from the youth program. That's the first proposal. The second proposal is to make clear guide about what is national instrument. We mentioned the towards national instruments, especially in the writing of the projects and applying for the projects. You have to write down national instruments of certification of the training course. So in order to apply for a project, you have to, as I've been told, you have to write a national instrument of certification of the training course. This is not, this is very abstract. So what is a national instrument? What kind of national instrument? So our proposal was to make clear what exactly is the national instrument. Will it be one body on national level, or will it be a state institution or another NGO? So we think that that should be more clearly, more specific explained. And third proposal is to make clear the forms, to make clear which forms of sustainability of the projects are allowed. As I understand, when writing down a project, you have to write down how do you see the project visible in the future, or how do you sustain the project for the future. And we were really in a doubt whether it should be from profits made by the NGO, maybe from trainings that you can earn some money, or maybe sustain the project, or maybe from donations, from scholarships from other institutions. So we thought that we should make more clear which forms of sustainability can be accepted for the writing down, for sustaining the project for the future. That's it.
Can I comment on this?
Yeah, of course, we can have a discussion about that.
It's interesting.
I can sit down.